Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your profile picture on X, formerly known as Twitter. Updating your profile picture is a great way to refresh your account and express your personality. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Once the app is open, locate your profile icon. Tap your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile overview. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on Profile. Here, you'll find all the details associated with your account, including your current profile picture. Next, tap Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to various aspects of your profile, including your picture. Now, it's time to tap on your profile picture. You'll see options for selecting a new image. From there, tap Choose Existing Photo. This will let you select a photo from your device's gallery. Browse through your images and select the photo you want to use. Make sure it's the perfect fit for your profile. After you've chosen your new profile picture, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. This will update your profile with the new image. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.